Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back with a brand new video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. In the illustrious words of Nino Brown from New Jack City, they're running a strange game out there. That's right, guys. They're running a strange game out there, and I'm talking about the credit card companies. So check this out. We were doing funding for one of our younger customers last week. He was approved for $15,000 through 2 different banks. And after they approved him, they took the approval back. Now you got to be asking yourself, why would they approve him and then take it back? I will tell you why they would do something like that. Because he was in ChexSystems. That's right. If you're in ChexSystems, looks like this year they're going to be running all kind of strange games on us, guys. They are looking for any reason to deny you guys. Not only does your credit need to be tight, but you cannot be in ChexSystems. Otherwise, you run the risk of not getting the approval. So if you're in ChexSystems, you need to get yourself out of ChexSystems. But I have a solution. We now have a new service, and we call it X Chex. It is a check system removal service. So if you're in ChexSystems, just like credit repair, we can remove you out of ChexSystems. That's the service, guys. So things are going to keep changing on this credit card game, but I'm going to be here to, show you the steps along the way. Every time they make a change, I'll be right here on the video to let you guys know, hey, this is what's going on. And right now, the ChexSystems is what's going on. So we have companies, and this was through 2 different banks that did this to him. We got him approved, and then they came right back and they snatched the approvals because he was in ChexSystems. Don't let this happen to you. You've been working on your credit and you're finally there. You have the scores that you want. And then, bye-yow, they say, nope, you're in ChexSystems. We're going to have to take these approvals back. That won't feel good. So if you're in ChexSystems, you need to give us a call, 833-947-3863, and hit the X Chex extension. That number, once again, is 833-947-3863, and hit the X Chex option. All right, that's going to do it for this video, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And until the next video, I'm out. Peace.